I am fatherless, but not weak. Strong as the roots of an ancient tree, yet sometimes the ache comes like a storm, especially on Mondays when you used to visit me. A year has passed since you have been gone. Wynton Walters, your name still carries on. But in the quiet moments, I feel the void. A daughter's lost in questions, unsaid, destroyed. Why did you leave before I was ready? You, my anchor, my constant, always steady. Now the world feels different, a little less sure, and Mondays remind me of the love we once were. I am strong, yes, but sometimes I fall, lost in the echoes of your familiar call. I wonder if you hear me, if you see my tears. Do you visit me in spirit to calm my fears? So many questions swirl in my mind. The what ifs, the whys, I can't seem to find. But I carry you with me in heart and in name. Even fatherless, I remain the same. Your love is my strength, though you're no longer near. And on Mondays, I still hold you dear. For though I am fatherless, I am never alone. In the memories of you, I've always known.